Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I will show you how to do a moss stitch. So let's get started. So in order to do a moss stitch I will chain 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here I have my chain 12. Now I will do a single crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. So 1 2 3 4. This is the fourth chain from the hook. So I'm going to do a single crochet here. Now after doing a single crochet I'm going to chain 1, and now I'll skip one chain. In the second chain I will do a single crochet. And this is what we need to do for a moss stitch, is chain 1. So basically we are doing a single crochet, we are skipping one chain by making a chain and then doing a single crochet again. So I have done a single crochet, I have done a chain 1, I will skip a chain, and in this next one I will do a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain, the next one, do a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next, in the last chain I will do a single crochet. So in order to do this stitch, make sure that you have an even number of chains so that it works easily. You will need a single crochet in the last chain. So let me show you how to do a row 2. So now I will chain 2. Now for row 2 we will do a single crochet in each of the chain space, and we will skip the single crochet from the previous row. So I have done 2 chains. So this is the chain, the last chain space. So I'm going to do a single crochet in this. So I've done a single crochet in the chain space. Now I will chain 1. So this is a single crochet from the previous row. So I'm going to be skipping this. Okay, let me show you. So I'll be skipping this, and in the chain space, in the next chain space, which is this one, is where I will do a single crochet. Done a single crochet. Now again I will chain 1, skip the single crochet from the previous, in the chain space, this is the chain space, I will do a single crochet. So basically single crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain or the next single crochet, and then single crochet again. This is how a moss stitch looks like. So you can continue this pattern. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. If you enjoyed watching, hit like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos.